Hi, good afternoon. My name is Clay Gordon. I'm the owner of Gordon's Remodeling LLC. Been in business serving the Dallas-Fort Worth area for 20 years. We specialize in kitchen, bathroom remodels, but we're GCs. So whatever your task may be, you say yes, we'll do the rest. As contractors, we believe in satisfying the customer first and getting paid secondly. As your contractor, I believe in taking the pressure off the customer. We believe in letting the customer know what's best for their home. We give free estimates. We let you know weather stripping, roof leaks, foundation problems. We install windows. We try to be your one-stop shop. Again, we're licensed, insured. We office here in DeSoto. We just finished last year a 3-story apartment building that burnt at 67 in Camp Wisdom. From start to finish, we did the demo, reframed it, poured the stairs, concrete, landing, electrical, plumbing, roofing, and right now is occupied. So there's no job too small and there's no job too big. Just want to let you know we're offering a 10% discount for the remodeling projects that you might have. And we always have a 10% discount for our elderly people, as well our veterans. Again, we're a family-owned business, and we just believe in taking care of customers. If you're in need of our services, you can reach us at www.gordonsremodeling.com or at 972-217-3325. That's the office number. And we'll get back in touch with you within 24 hours of your call. We look forward to doing business with you. God bless.